Happy Monday morning. So today is 28th of February 2022. So fast already, end of the month. Okay, we got a war in Europe. We got a war in Europe. We got election coming soon, Johor election. So market shouldn't be that strong. Okay, but today got a big pop above 1,006 now coming back down. So be careful. Okay, a lot of optimism in the morning. Okay, big push, but now coming down. So have to be a bit careful. Uh, Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Support the channel. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also, if you want to open CGS-CIMB account, don't forget. Okay, you can find the link in my below here, below the video description, or in my Facebook or in my website TradingView. Okay, my Facebook is facebook.com. Twitter is twitter.com. Facebook is TradingView. Twitter is TradingView. So coffee is TradingView. Coffee-ko-fi.com. TradingView. Want to buy me coffee? Don't forget, go to coffee.com. So short introduction before we dive into the chart. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's check out the chart. So KLCI, big push above today to 1,613. 1,613. Almost now being pushed back down. So after the more institution come in, okay, the price they are not buying. They are selling. So market a bit too optimistic in the morning. So now look like it's dropping a bit. Look at the 15 minutes. Okay, big push up now, slowly it's slowing down. 15 minutes, it double top. So looks like it will drop some more. Okay, so this could be a false break. So don't simply jump in the morning. As I said, morning is cannot really be trusted. You have to be at least wait until noon, 12 o'clock. Okay, or the Monday, better wait for the close of the Monday evening closing, then only the data is more legit. Okay, not to say the data is not legit. Believable. The data is legit, but believable, more believable, right? So let's check out the index, see local index, how is it? Market sentiment 42 now around 11:52 a.m. Gainers 367. So losers 512. So losers, sellers are more than buyers. So you have to be careful. Volume is 1.444 billion, 12.05 point up. Still up. 0.76, 1603. Now it's still above 1,006. So what happened? Market open, boom, everybody buying, but after that, market slowly selling down. Okay, not a very good sentiment. So look at the sector: consumer up 0.12, industry up 0.36, construction up 0.11, technology drop 1.3, finance up 0.32, property 1.13 down, plantation 2.36 up, REDT 0.02 up. Energy drop today. Energy still drop. Energy today morning energy is trying to break above, trying to go up again. But the energy stock is just too high. The price is too high. Healthcare up 0.92 unexpected. Telco up 0.33. Transportation, telco drop 0.33. Transportation drop 0.12. Utility drop 0.19. Okay, so the sector, most of it drop. Okay, only plantation is pushing. Plantation is pushing the market up. But if plantation start to sell off today, right, the market will slowly go down. Okay, look at the top gainers. Top gainer, Nestle, this one very small volume. KLK, big volume, went up a bit. Petronas went up. Petronas, we say Petronas no good, then Petronas suddenly show you some color 3.3. Petronas is not cannot. You have to hold very long time. It's not that cannot. Sure, it will make it profitable. They've got margin to play. They got 7 billion profit. They can make anything out of it. They can make it up to 1 billion profit, or they can make it 100 million profit just to make it look good. This is my personal opinion. It's not financial advice. I could be wrong. Okay. United Plantation up a bit. No, volume not so big. Okay. Volume not so big. UTDPLD. You just talk lah. United Plantation, just take a look lah. Don't forget yesterday. Yesterday I got the weekly review. So don't miss out. Don't miss out my weekly review. Okay. And Saturday we talk about the sector. Look at the sector. Okay, this is the binocular view to this fast forward to this week. Binocular view to the see whether this week which we want to have at least an idea what is the proper sector to buy in. If there is a push up which are the better sector. Okay, so Patukawan not so much. SOP today quite big volume. SOP. Oh, it's palm oil. Palm oil only pushing out. Petronas Chemical already talked many times already. So this one we leave out first. Continue to hold Petronas Chemical. HONGSENG today got volume. Today we're going to watch out HONGSENG. HSPLANT. Orient. Take a look. Orient. Hardly talk about Orient. But take one time, take a look. SWK Plantation. Most of it is Plantation. So today want to take a look is HONGSENG KLK SOP TAAN, HSPLANT CIMB Plantation, Sarawak Plantation, United Plantation, all the plantation. Look at HONGSENG first. Most important, HONGSENG breakup. HONGSENG breakup. If today can hold, can stay above, I think you're gonna fly again. So HONGSENG today break above. Okay, so we can buy a little bit. If it goes to 3.2, maybe we want to add. So what happened is this, consolidation breakout. It broke up from this consolidation. So got another chance to fly. The first time we chase HONGSENG is where? Here. Okay. Here. The first time we chase HONGSENG is here. Here. Consolidate, breakout, then fly, right? This is the first time we chase HONGSENG. Okay. So now again consolidate, sideways, suddenly break out, maybe fly. We don't know, not guarantee, but this one could be another push up. So we can chase a bit. Okay, if you got bullet, you can chase a bit. So this one, right, stop loss is at 2.625. If it goes up, if it drop back below here, we're gonna out. Or if we go in ready, if tomorrow it drop back below 2.97 also, I will out. This means it's a false break. False break means the break is not sustainable. Okay, so here a bit, 14% a bit. If tomorrow it goes back below this one, below 2.97, maybe you want to out. 2.97. I push it up a bit. So a false break, a break that shouldn't go back below here. Okay, means it really break up, right? It should not go back below here. So we put the 2.93. If it goes back below 2.93, then it's a false break. Then have to be careful. Means the break is not sustainable. Okay, so this one got chance. KLK Plantation. Look at KLK. KLK try to break up again. But KLK almost at the top here already. Okay, this what we call it, broadening top, not a very good sign. Broadening top, right? Normally broadening top, right? Broadening top, okay. After it complete the formation, it's dropped. Now it haven't complete the formation yet, but after it complete the formation, this one will normally is drop. Then could be dropped lower. So have to be careful about this. Still can chase or not? How to chase this one? Triangle. If you already in profit, you got a lot of bullet to play, then maybe can chase. Goes up above 226,755, maybe can chase. Stop loss will be here. $24.7. Okay, below 24.7 have to out. So this one, if you maybe can chase, but it's very very high risk. It's very very high risk. Okay, it's very very high risk. Okay, maybe can chase overbought also. So this one very quite high risk. If you want to chase, see if we got a big volume push above 2.6, 26.77, maybe can chase a bit. Okay, okay. SOP. SOP cannot chase. Fly only. So this one no breeder for you to chase. Only here only that day. If you manage to add in 5.2, manage to add this one, still okay. Taan. Taan also no chance to chase. Keep on going up. Only one breeder over here. Maybe if you can manage to chase in 3 days, 4 days ago, then it's okay. For now going too fast. HSPLNT. HSPLNT also cannot. Here got a big tail here now going back up. This one also didn't manage to chase. Better not chase. SWK plantation. SWK maybe you can chase. SWK stop for a while. So if it goes through here, if it push through 3.215, then maybe you can chase. So your stop loss is 2.975. So now the stop loss, I put 2 lines. You see the double line here. Double line is stop loss. Now you see wherever I put double line, that is the stop loss. Okay. So I changed already. I put the X. The X is a bit difficult. It's very subjective. Sometimes it fly to here, fly to everywhere. After I zoom in, right? So you cannot see a lot. So now I put it using this. How many percent? Let me see. If you go in, 7%. Okay. Put it here first. United. United, this one better. Wow, this one very volatile. This one better not play. Fly here and fly there. Suddenly big sell off and suddenly fly. This one not. This one, no, I will not chase. Too dangerous, this one. So the one we managed to chase is this one, FGV. FGV is still flying very high. We managed to catch Genting also. Okay, we are still flying very high. Genting condition, we managed to chase. And also, CIMB, we managed to chase. It's also flying. Okay, so a few. And don't expect we can chase every stock. There is so many. We don't chase every stock. The good one, okay, we still got chance to chase, we chase. Because we are looking the chart, we are not buying with our eyes closed. IOI Corp also managed to chase. Okay, IOI Corp also continue to go up, so continue to hold. Okay, so that's it for today. HONGSENK maybe can try. Okay, maybe can try. HONGSENK can try. I think it got a lot of momentum this time. It got momentum to continue go up. So pick some here, 2.9, go to 3.2, add some. The target, let me see. Where will I put my target? Where will I put my target? Let me see. First wave. 1 wave, 2 wave. Maybe target here first. 1.4. 4.7. So see whether it can go there or not. First one, of course, we have to target 3.8. Okay, if we see what happened 3.8, if we go through 3.8, we look for 4.7. Let me see. 4.7. Yeah, 4.7 to 5.4. Possible these two. Okay, so that's it for the morning. See you in the evening. Bye bye.